Foundland is a new idea of collaboration. We started 8 years ago with the idea that design should be crossing border with art and research, journalism. We are really interested in finding new meanings in identity, citizenship, belonging, migration, homeland. Since 5 years, we've been focusing on what's really happening in the Middle East and particularly in Syria. We've been trying to speculate and tell about what actually the future of the region could be by studying the past or by drawing kind of relation to the past of the region and what's really happened.
The method that we used to develop this project was based on the idea of interviewing Ralia's father. That was done in Cairo, and he is a Syrian refugee living in Egypt now. We asked him to analyze different periods of history, and based on that, we made like a projection of how we thought this could be used to think about the future of the region today. So it was a series of interviews which we then recorded and then re-scripted. And through re-scripting that, we decided to try and present them in a way that it was almost a conspiracy, a new conspiracy, which we were piecing together based on his ideas.
First, we have designed grids that represent the region between Syria and Egypt, basically the region that we are investigating and the region where my father actually moved in between. This grid carries different parts of the installation. The first part is a video. The video is my father having his own theory about failed future scenarios. The second part is a table where you see pieces of 3D printed countries. It's a representation of the border of Syria in the last 5 years. We generated like a possible border through data presented by news. And the last part is an installation with printed ping pong balls that represent the migration happening now.
The intention is to put someone in an environment where they can explore the issue from a slightly different angle.
And it's also a place that invites people to pick up stuff and look at it and raise questions and try to know more about it.